Meaning is extremely important here. The meaning is that this part is the cause and this part is the effect. And see, this effect would make sense once the cause is clear. Something on the lines that because the underestimation of home repair costs can reduce something. See, from here to here is the cause. The effect that homeowners can effectively preserve their property's monetary value by budgeting for the cause here. Okay, so it's a cause comma effect relationship. Effect comma cause, especially when the sentence is this long, is going to be awkward. So answer choices in which the effect comes first are not likely to be correct. Answer choice A can go, choice C can stay, choice E can stay. Choice D is very awkward. It puts the entire cause bit between two commas and it splits the effect into two parts. So half the effect here, half the effect here, and in between is the entire cause. So that's a very awkward construction and it is bound to lead to certain modifier errors. For example, proper budgeting for repairs by homeowners due to the fact. So it's sounding as if the proper budgeting for repairs by homeowners is happening because of this fact here, which of course doesn't make sense. This fact presented here is leading to the effect of preservation of property's monetary value. That is the intended meaning. Frankly, you don't have to get so much into the meaning for answer choice D. The construction itself is all over the place. So answer choice D can comfortably go just by looking at the broad grammatical construction. What I explained, the meaning bit, is just for your understanding. You frankly don't need to understand all of that to eliminate this very awkward answer choice. Answer choice B also first has effect and then has the cause. So answer choice B can also go. Now it's between C and E, so let's take a closer look at these two. I see a change in meaning here because of this word is reduced, whereas the original meaning is can reduce. And then a serious problem here, the usage of when. When is used for referring to a point in time which is not the intended meaning here. So answer choice E can also be eliminated. Let's confirm answer choice C now. Because the underestimation of something can reduce a residential dwelling's overall market value by leading to an accumulation of minor damages. So this entire part is the cause and then the effect. Homeowners can effectively preserve their property's monetary value by properly budgeting for repairs. An excellent question, this one. There's a lot to be learned from this one. The greatest takeaway from this question is how you can solve such lengthy questions smartly by just looking at the broad grammatical construction and getting into the nitty-gritty with only one or two answer choices. C is the best answer choice here.